Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with this vehicle and I've just finished replacing the coolant in this vehicle, and today I'm going to show you how you can bleed the cooling system in any vehicle with just things that you've got lying around your home, because we're going to make our own poor man's cooling bleeder. I don't actually have a radiator funnel, so I've just cut the end off of an old drink bottle. I'm just going to put that in the top there because we need to bleed the air out. I'm just going to secure that with some tape. So we'll come down to the radiator and do a couple of laps with the tape and then work our way up just like that. Now what this is doing is this is actually just completely sealing this bottle, which is effectively going to act as a funnel. It's completely sealing it to the radiator, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to top it off inside the bottle with a little bit more water, and then we'll start the engine and we'll bleed all the air pockets out of the engine. So as you can see folks, I've just started the engine up, so we'll let the engine warm up now, but we've got our homemade radiator funnel there, and that's just so we want to make sure we get any air pockets out of the engine. So whilst it's warming up, we'll just check around the place that we've actually connected everything up the way we should. So with our poor man bleeder set up, we simply let the engine run. It's still cold, but let it run, come up to temperature, and when the thermostat opens, you'll actually see that it'll actually start to circulate, and you can give this a bit of a squeeze here, but you'll see the bubbles will actually come up. You see that bit of a squeeze straight away, change the colour as it mixed a little bit of coolant in with that water that's in that little funnel that I've made. So you just let it come up to speed, and you'll watch those air bubbles. They will come through and they'll come up, and you'll get all of the air pockets that are in the engine. You'll get those out with this method. Now importantly, whilst you're bleeding the system off, you do need to jump into the vehicle and put the heater on and just get the air circulating inside the vehicle so that you can actually feel some warm air coming out of the air vents. And the reason that we're doing this is we want to make sure that we're also circulating the coolant through the internal core, which is in the dashboard for the heating system, because we want to make sure we get rid of any air pockets out of the complete system, the complete cooling system, which is the internal heater core, which is in the dashboard, out into the cooling system of the engine. So on hot, you get that air flowing, make sure you can feel the heat coming out of the vents, folks. So there you go, folks. We've had it running now for about 30-45 minutes, and it's nice and warm. So obviously that thermostat's open up there. We've had good flow coming through the radiator and circulating around. Importantly, that coolant level has dropped right down there, so we've got rid of any air pockets at all from the engine. So now we can take this off with confidence, put the radiator cap on and take it for a test drive, knowing there's absolutely no air pockets left in the engine or in that heater core. So if you have liked the video, folks, give us a like and drop us a comment down below. It's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in learning more about DIY maintenance on vehicles or around the home, we do a bunch of DIY around the place. And on the channel, we feature a number of vehicles. We've got the Mercedes ML Class, Audi A3, Mazda 3, early Ford Falcon. Today we've got this Holden Rodeo in. Occasionally there's a BMW Z4 pops up. So there really is something for everybody. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe to the channel. But until next time, folks, have a good evening.